Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss problem number exercise number 21, page number 77. From the following receipts and payments account of Aircard Youth Association, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on the date. See the receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. First receipt side. To balance brought down, that is cash in hand, beginning, opening balance 9,600. Government grant for purchase of books 10,000. It should be treated as a capital receipt. It should not come under income and expenditure account. It should be transferred to asset side of the balance sheet. That is a capital receipt. It should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Subscription revenue receipt, it should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Admission fees, to be treated as a revenue receipt, it should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Prize fund receipt, it should be transferred to liability side of the balance sheet because it should be treated as a capital receipt. Bank interest, recurring nature, revenue receipt, it should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Sale of newspaper, also revenue receipt, it should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Then payment side, salary, revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Office expense, also to be treated as a revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Books purchased, capital expenditure, it should be treated as an asset. Stationery purchased, revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Newspaper purchased, revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Prize awarded, it should be subtracted from prize fund receipt on liability side of the balance sheet. Closing balance of cash in hand, to be treated as an asset, it should be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then additional information, opening capital fund, it should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Then stock of books, that is opening stock of books plus books purchased during the year, these two items to be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Subscription due but not received, this amount belongs to current accounting period, it should be added with the subscription already received to be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Stock of stationery on 1st April 2018, stock of stationery on 31st March 2018, that is opening stock of stationery plus stationery purchased during the year less closing stock of stationery. We know about how much stationery to be consumed during the year to be appear on the income and expenditure account expenditure side. See the answers. See the income and expenditure account of Aircard Youth Association on 31st March 2019. Expenditure side, because income and expenditure is based on nominal account category, all expenses are to be debited, all incomes are to be credited. Salary, revenue expenditure 14,000. Office expense, revenue expenditure 7,200. Opening stock of stationery 1,200. Add purchase during the year 1,800. Total 3,000. Less closing stock 2,000. 1,000 worth stock of stationery to be consumed, it should be appear in the outer column of the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Newspaper purchased 2,100, revenue expenditure. Then subscription to be treated as a revenue receipt, due but not received, this amount belongs to current accounting period, it should be added along with the subscription received. 26,500 to be shown on the outer column. Admission fees also revenue receipt. Bank interest revenue receipt. Sale of newspaper revenue receipt. Then prize fund receipt 6,000. It's then prize awarded, then surplus on account of prize fund receipt to be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account, then total receipt 32,100, the surplus on account of receipt 7,800. Okay, then we are going to prepare balance sheet. What are the items appear in the balance sheet of Yerkad Youth Association? Government grant for purchase of books. If any government grant or a legacy or a life membership fees or donation for specific purpose to be treated as a liability, it should be appear on the liability side. Opening capital fund 20,000. Add surplus 7,800. So 27,800. Then liability side. Opening stock of books 9,200. Then purchased 15,000. Total 24,200 worth the book available. It should be treated as an asset. Subscription due but not received. Accrued but not received during the current accounting period to be treated as an asset. It should be appear on the asset side. Closing stock of stationery also to be treated as asset. Then cash in hand at the end of the accounting period 9,900 to be treated as an asset. So total 37,800 in both sides. These are the answers recording this problem. You have any doubt? I think. Are you clear? Then we are going to move problem number 22. Problem number 22, page number 78. Following is the receipts and payments account of Neyveli Science Club for the year ended 31st December 2018. Receipts and payments account. Opening balance cash in hand 2,400, subscription 8,700, life membership fees 5,000, exhibition fund receipt 7,000, sale of science equipment, book value 5,000, selling price 6,000, miscellaneous income 500, buy balance brought on, that is bank overdraft unfavorable balance, postage 200, science equipment 10,000, laboratory expense 2,400, secretary honorarium 5,000, audit fees 3,600, general charge 1,800, exhibition expense 5,000, closing balance of cash in hand and closing balance of cash at bank total 600. Both sides total 29,600. Additional information. Opening capital fund 6,400. It should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Subscription includes 600 for the year 2019. This subscription belongs to subsequent year. These subscription are subtracted from the whatever we received 8,700 income side of the income and expenditure account, subscription 8,700 minus 600. So remaining amount belongs to 2018. Science equipment on 1st January 2018 5,000. Then additional purchase anything is given in the problem, that is 10,000. It should be added along with the asset side of the balance sheet. Surplus on account of exhibition should be kept in reserve for new auditorium. So exhibition fund receipt and exhibition expense, these two items should be transferred to liability side of the balance sheet, because surplus on account of exhibition fund receipt should be transferred to construction of new auditorium. That surplus amount to be treated as a capital receipt. It should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. So it should not come under income and expenditure account. Are you clear? Then we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account. See the answer. 22, page number 78, income and expenditure account of Neyveli Science Club as on 31st 12 2018. Expenditure side, income side. First expenditure side, postage, revenue expenditure, recurring nature. It should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account 200. Laboratory expense, recurring nature, revenue expenditure. It should be appear on the income and expenditure side. Secretary honorarium, revenue, nature. Recurring expense, it should be appear on the income and expenditure account. Expenditure side 5,000. Audit fees, recurring expense, revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. General charges, also revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Then income side, subscription 8,700. Out of 8,700, 600 belongs to subsequent year. It should be subtracted from 8,700, remaining 8,100 alone, because income and expenditure account only current year receipt alone to be recorded. If any previous year or subsequent year, it should be subtracted. So this amount is not belongs to current accounting period. This amount belongs to subsequent year, received in advance. It should be treated as a liability. So it should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. So it should be subtracted from the subscription received. Then profit on sale of science equipment. See, book value of science equipment 5,000. It should be sold 6,000. The difference between selling price and the cost price 1,000 to be treated as a revenue receipt. Profit on sale to be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Miscellaneous income, revenue receipt. Then we are going to put the total. Which side is the highest amount? Expenditure side is the highest amount. So excess of expenditure over income, the difference amount to be treated as a deficit. It should be transferred to balance sheet by the way of deducted from the capital fund, because it should be treated as a loss, that is a deficit. Expenditure is over income. See the balance sheet of income and expenditure account. Liability side, capital fund 6,400 minus deficit 3,400, remaining 3,000. Life membership fees, capital receipt, it should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet 5,000. Exhibition fund receipt 7,000. Exhibition expense 5,000. The surplus on account of a exhibition fund should be transferred to construction of new auditorium. So surplus on account of a exhibition fund to be treated as a capital receipt. So it should come under the liability side of the balance sheet. Subscription for 2019, because 2019 for next year. So it should be treated as a subscription received in advance. It should be treated as a liability. So it should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Then science equipment opening balance 5,000, had purchased during the year 15,000. Then sale of science equipment 5,000, remaining 10,000 worth science equipment available at the end of the accounting period. It should be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then closing balance of cash in hand and the closing balance of cash at bank. So 10,600, 10,600. I think, are you clear? See in your book, the problem answer 1,400 is given. It is a wrong answer. 3,400 is the correct answer. Those who have the book, you should correct yourself. Deficit 3,400. Okay, are you clear? Recording these two problems once again. Students, you are requested, you can do it again once. So today class is over. We will meet later. Thank you.